Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, compound assignment with augmented subtraction. Like the plus equal to operator, minus equal to subtracts a number from a variable. My var equal to my var minus 5 will subtract 5 from my var. This can be rewritten as my var minus equal to 5. The task for this challenge: convert the assignments for A, B and C to use the minus equal to operator. So in this case what we will do? We will just remove A from here and minus from here, and before equal to I we will leave minus. Same way for B, minus equal to, and for C also we will do similar, and C minus equal to 1. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.